guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about the top things I would never do to my natural hair. Never ever okay? So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. Okay, so I don't know if I've ever done this video before. I don't think I have. I really don't think I have. But yeah, I was just thinking, I was just like, I want to do a video talking about the things that I would never do to my hair. And this is just me personally. I'm not trying to change you guys' hair routine or anything like that. You know, different things work for different people. So yeah, I'm just telling you guys what I don't do to my hair, because a lot of stuff has not worked for me and my poor hair. So yeah, oh yeah, I have it straightened today. I don't know why, I was just in the mood to straighten my hair, so that's what's going on here. So the first thing that I do not do to my natural hair is put gel in it. Now, I have tried many times to incorporate a gel into my wash and go routine, but it has not worked. Every single time it has not worked. So I just do not put gel in my hair, and unless I'm doing like a slick back bun or something like that, I will put gel in my hair. But other than that, I'm not gonna put any type of gel in my hair and in my wash and goes. Never. It just does not look right. It looks really crispy and it just, my hair looks bad. So I stay away. I stay away from the gels. But if we're talking baby hair, you know I gotta slick down my baby hair with the gel. But other than that, the next thing I don't do is use too much product. I do not use a lot of product in my hair whatsoever. Like, I cannot use a lot of product. Having low porosity hair, it's very difficult for products to absorb, and it just will make your hair look really greasy, and it will stay on the surface of your hair, and therefore I cannot use a lot of products. So, you know, less is more with me and my hair porosity. And if you have high porosity hair, more power to you, because you can use a lot of product and it will really absorb into your hair and make it look very moisturized. But my hair, it just doesn't work for my hair, and my hair often looks very dry because of it. So yeah, that's just something that I have to deal with, having low porosity hair. The next thing I don't do, I know a lot of my viewers give me a lot of slack for this, is I do not trim my hair like across like this. Like, I will never like look at my hair and just be like snip. No, like, I do this search and destroy methods, and I think I have a video down below and you can watch exactly how I cut my hair, or trim my hair I should say. It's so funny because people will be like, girl, all that hair on your hair, just chop it, just cut off those ends. And I'm just like, no, these are good ends. I'm not gonna cut off my ends. Are you crazy? I'm not cutting off good hair, okay? It took me too long to grow my hair. I'm not cutting off no good hair. I just cut off what needs to be cut. Like, if I see a split end in my hair, I will go in and snip off that split end and go about my business. So the next thing I never do with my hair is to use combs. Like, never. Like, even with having straight hair, I don't use combs. I will use a paddle brush. And on my curly hair, never. I would never use a comb. Definitely not a small tooth comb. If I have to use a comb, like if I'm out traveling and I don't have my Denman brush or my paddle brush on hand and I have to use a comb, it has to be a big tooth comb. I can never just use like a small tooth comb, because that will rip out all of my hair. Yeah, the only time I will ever use a small tooth comb is if I'm parting my hair. If I want a straight part, I will part my hair with it. But other than that, it doesn't belong in my life. The next thing I never do with my hair, or I try not to do it often, is to use rubber bands or even hair ties. Like, I don't like using them because they really snag at your hair, and especially when my hair is curly. Like, when my hair is curly, I like to do like the half up half down look. So sometimes I will use like a hair tie. Every single time I do this, my hair gets tangled and it takes forever for me to get the hair tie out of my hair. So what I use is Snappy, and this is like the best invention on earth. I absolutely love Snappy. I don't have any on hand to show you, but I will like insert a picture or like a video of me using it, and it's absolutely amazing. It literally just snaps open and you can like snap it back in place and your hair never gets tangled. The next thing I never do is to go weeks or months without deep conditioning my hair. It's very, very important to deep condition your hair if you have natural hair or if you have any type of hair. I think it's important to deep condition your hair because it really, really gives you back that moisture that you need, helps your hair stay hydrated and healthy looking. It's a must. Another thing that I don't do with my hair is be extremely rough with it. I'm very, very gentle with my hair, especially when I'm like shampooing it. I know if you've gone to the beauty salon any time in your life, people be like, whoosh, really, really getting in there. I don't think that's necessary. I think that you should be gentle with your hair at all times because, especially if you suffer from breakage, because if your hair breaks easily, being rough with it will only make it break more. So that's something that I definitely do, is to try to be very gentle with my hair. Other thing that I never do is I will never straighten my hair at over 400 degrees. Yeah, like when I was younger, I used to go high as it will possibly go and it still wouldn't get straight. So once you learn how to properly straighten your hair and have like a good technique, it's a process. It starts at shampooing and conditioning, and then you go from that. It's definitely a process when you're straightening your hair, but you don't want to use such a high heat because you can get heat damage and you can just damage your hair in general, and then next thing you know, your hair is breaking off and then you got like 6 inches of hair gone. So yeah, I never go over 400 degrees. But yeah, that's about all that I can think of today. So if you guys have any tips or don'ts, never do things for natural hair that you want to comment down below in the comment section, I would love to hear them, and write it so the rest of my viewers can see as well. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a huge thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell. The notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Maryam Hampton, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.